Easy to learn napkin box crochet tutorial. Today, let's crochet together a granny square napkin holder that is perfect for beginners. Get your materials ready. Let's start crocheting together. Take out the yarn. Start in a ring. Pass the hook through the loop and crochet a slip stitch and 3 chain stitches as a double crochet stitch. Then crochet double crochet stitches in the loop and 2 double crochet stitches. Connect the 3 chain stitches at the beginning, a total of 3 double crochet stitches. These 3 double crochet stitches and 3 chain stitches form a pattern. Continue to crochet the next set of patterns in the circle. First, crochet 3 double crochet stitches. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. The second group of patterns is completed. Then continue to crochet 2 more groups of patterns. Finished. There are 4 groups of patterns. Then tighten the loop. Here's the thing. The 3 chain stitches in the last group, we replace them with a double crochet stitch and connect it to the 3rd chain stitch at the beginning. This completes the first round. Then crochet a slip stitch in the hole. Start crocheting the second round. 3 chain stitches as a double crochet stitch. Then continue to crochet 2 double crochet stitches in the circle. Then crochet a slip stitch. Continue to crochet the pattern in the next hole. First, crochet 3 double crochet stitches. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Continue to crochet 3 double crochet stitches in the circle. Here we can see that 3 double crochet stitches and 3 chain stitches. 3 double crochet stitches, which is the method of turning the corner. Separate the patterns with a slip stitch. Repeat the crocheting in the remaining holes. Finished. And 3 double crochet stitches in the last hole. Finally, use a double crochet stitch. Connect with the 3rd chain stitch. This way, the second round is completed. Crochet the 3rd round. First, crochet a slip stitch in the circle. First, crochet 3 chain stitches as a double crochet stitch. Then crochet 2 double crochet stitches in the circle. Then crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 3 double crochet stitches in the chain stitch hole. And also hook a chain stitch to separate. The corner position is the same. First, crochet 3 double crochet stitches. Then 3 chain stitches. Then 3 double crochet stitches. The method in the chain stitch holes on the 4 sides is the same. The method of crocheting in the corner holes is the same until you reach the last stitch. Finish crocheting. Connect the last stitch with the first stitch with a double crochet stitch. In this way, the 3rd round is completed. Here we can see that the 4 sides are crocheted in the same way. Are all crocheted with 3 double crochet stitches in the chain stitch. The 4 corners are crocheted in the same way. All crochet 3 double crochet stitches. according to this method, until we reach the desired size. Take out the commonly used tissue at home. Place the tissue in the center of the fabric. Leave a distance for the paper to come out at the diagonal. In this way, the size of the paper is determined. Take out 2 beads or horn buttons. Sew the beads to the diagonal of the fabric. Then button the fabric on the tissue. You can count the holes to make sure the number of holes on both sides is the same. Finally, confirm the position of this diagonal. This corner can be sewn with the remaining thread. On the main body, use a thread for the other corner. Tie a knot like this. Finally, hide the thread tails. In this way, a simple grandmother square napkin box. Friends can choose the color they like to match different colored napkin boxes.